Hey guys, little progress update in the shop. We are working on this WRX, which is going to be a full respray. It's got dents and dings all over it. It's riddled with damage. We're going to restore it back to its original World Rally Blue. Iconic Subaru color, obviously all Subaru fans are aware of this color, and it is kind of like a candy blue, so it does look super cool in the sun, especially when it's fresh. So this whole thing is going to be redone. It's got an STI front bar. It's got a whole bunch of other different accessories like the big STI rally wing and stuff going on it. The boys have already primed the roof, which is going to be gloss black with a blue Zerillic through it to sort of tie the whole theme together. The wheels are going to be restored, so all the gutter ash repaired. That'll have the Zerillic in it as well. We previously did his last WRX, which basically had the big STI wing on it, which will now go onto this one. We will upgrade the mirrors to the newer folding electric style mirrors with the sequential indicators in it and all that stuff. And all of the accessories had a satin carbon done on them. So the wing insert blade and all of that stuff is all satin carbon. The bonnet screw should look really cool. We'll do the grille, things like that. So tons of parts to do, full car to do, a lot of work ahead. Jag is pretty much finalized now. The boys are just putting together the front bar on that now. We've had to do a tailgate repair on it, had some nasty dings. We've refurbed wheels, we've done calipers. Obviously we make our decals and everything for the calipers in-house. So any vehicle that you have, any color, any size that you want to do, we can cater to all of that. Tom's reassembling front bar at the moment, which we've done a full repair on as well. Andy painted that yesterday, so that's dry. We've blacked out grille. That's going in as well. All the badges have been black to go with the wheels and that. And this is probably the coolest little insert here, which is these side vents with the red inlays of the Jag to match the calipers. And there's a ton of miscellaneous stuff laying around the shop. Hard lids, boat covers, boot lids, bumpers, heaps to do.